Welcome back to another Z1 install video. Today we're going over the Z1 tie bar. So the whole point of this bar is to brace where your toe adjustment is here with the other side over here. On this car, it's already equipped with the Z1 eccentric lockout kit, but the install will be the same whether you have our eccentric kit, whether you have somebody else's, whether you're still a stock setup, same basic process. So what you're gonna do first is remove this nut, use a wrench on one side to keep it still. Now, and also, if you have the lockout kit and you don't rotate that square washer in the back, your alignment will remain the same. So you can install this, not have any worries. You don't have to go back to the alignment shop, get that taken care of. But now if you're on the factory setup, more than likely you will need to redo your alignment. All right, now just repeat on the other side. And remember, you are just removing the nut, not the washer. Whether you have a factory one or the eccentric one, that stays there and the brace goes on top. So once you have these nuts off of your toe bolts, you're gonna remove these two factory nuts at the end of the factory bracing. They're a little too tall and they'll contact the brace, but we've included shorter nuts, that way everything clears. 12 mil on these. Now that you have the two factory bolts removed out of the factory brace, you're going to use the two supply bolts we give you that are shorter. That way you won't contact the brace. All right, tighten these up. All right, now that we got the two shorter bolts in, these nuts removed, we can install our rear tie bar. You're just going to carefully pass it over, factory brace, and slide it onto your toe bolts, just like that. Then take your nut for your toe bolt and thread it back on. Now once you get those up a little snug, torque to spec and you'll be done. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what install videos you guys would like to see next.